Hi, Dave Curran here. Today we're going to talk about the Beeman P17 177 caliber pellet gun. And I have one right here. It is a pistol. And actually, it's not that bad a gun. It is very, very accurate. First thing I don't like about it is the fake hammer. And on this side, the color of the safety and the trigger. It reminds me of a cap gun I had when I was about 6 years old, and I don't like it. It's plastic with metal, of course, inside, but it is very heavy, fairly heavy. I mean, it's not super heavy, but it feels nice. It feels like a real gun instead of just a plastic thing. So that's what's good about it. Now, this fake trigger is actually the way you open it and the way you load it. And the way you load it is to drop a pellet in here. And I think that's the worst thing about this particular pellet gun, is that it is very, very hard to load. Now, if we take some less expensive pellets, like one of these daisies, and you need really dexterous fingers to get the pellet in there. A pellet like this, a pointed one like this daisy, which is pointed. It really is not easy to get the pellet in. It's a bit of a chore, which is the worst thing about this gun. It really is not easy to get a pellet in there. It's not easy to see in, so it's not easy to see. You have to do it by feel, which means if you're not dexterous, if you have bad arthritis or something like that. Now that one went in sort of, I'll just push it in there. Okay. Once you get the pellet in, then you need to close it. This is not something for a youngster that takes a little bit of power. Then you need to slide the safety off in order to fire it. It has nice power, and I'll tell you one thing about it. It's very accurate. The sights are fully adjustable. You can adjust it left to right or up and down, and these sights have a green neon sight here with a red neon sight here. Very easy to see and line up. Right here is a group of 3 shots that I shot with a handheld at 15 yards. And up here, I shot this morning 3 shots at 15 yards with a stand so that the gun was at level. Great group at 15 yards. So this is one accurate gun, and that's something. Overall, the Beeman P17 is a decent gun. The safety always goes on when you cock it. It would shoot flat-nosed wad cutter type pellets a little bit easier than pointed ones, and when you shoot a different kind of pellet you will need to adjust the sights, but at only $35 it is a bargain and a really accurate gun, despite the fact that it's not that easy to load. So I have to highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.